Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how can we change our YouTube channel's name and our YouTube link. For this, go to youtube.com. After that, go to your profile photo icon on the top right corner. Click it and click your channel's name and channel, this link. And after that, click customize channel and last click basic info. As you see, there is a name section and there is a handle section. You can change your name section in here and you can change your YouTube link in here. And after you change your YouTube link, it will be like this, as you see. I'm not going to change it, but after everything is done, you need to click publish. For changing your YouTube channel's name and your YouTube link, please refresh your page once or twice. Then you will see system will change your YouTube channel's name and YouTube link. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe my channel for other solutions. Thanks.